Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to set up communication privacy on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to set up communication privacy on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to set up communication privacy on Roblox. So today I'm going to show you how to set up communication privacy on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Setting up communication privacy on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on settings. Click on privacy. Here you are seeing communication. You can customize your communication privacy from here according to your need. There you go. If you wanted to know how to set up communication privacy on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.